How do you create something that people love and take it to a whole new level? The OYeet Next Pro massage gun is the ultimate experience to your wellness journey. Combining both power and convenience, it offers you the most efficient way to get back into training in no time.
The OYeet Next Pro is a game changer. Percussive therapy is smarter than ever. You can reset, recharge, and resume during game breaks.
With the latest flagship Next Power technology, the OYeet Next Pro is more powerful and precise than before. The key to a true muscle treatment is a precise amplitude, improved by its ability to reach 40% deeper into the muscle and 60% stronger than other massagers. The highly efficient battery reduces the total weight of the Next Pro by 50%.
I like to challenge myself with weightlifting, and this unique metal flat is really cool and great for dense muscles. It gives you twice as much power to hit that right spot you need, hard and intense.
The cushion curl attachment perfectly simulates large and small muscle group with uniform intensity.
I never thought I could use this little wedge to scrape my IT bands. It feels surprisingly nice.
Working closely with some of the best athletes in NFL, NBA, and professional, we have developed 8 innovative attachments to meet your needs.
Pressure sensor indicator, you can know how much pressure you put in on yourself or your clients.
Athletes expect the best from the clothes they wear to the tools they use. So we have used only the best materials to create an ergonomic yet versatile massage gun, made from specially developed glass fibers and liquid silicone rubber. This means that the OYeet Next Pro is stronger, more durable, and more ergodynamic than ever before.
Through direct feedback from professional athletes, OYeet understands what really matters to you. It is incredible to see what OYeet has done and continues to do with its cutting-edge technology in the wellness industry.
No doubt about performance or portability, you can take the Next Pro with you anytime, anywhere. The ultimate experience to your wellness journey. OYeet Next Pro.
This is EmotiBit. EmotiBit is a wearable, affordable, and open-source biosensor that captures high-quality emotional, physiological, and movement responses like these, and translates those signals into more than 16 different raw data streams that can be used to drive heart rate and respiration, emotional arousal, gestures and movements, local body temperature to assess health and emotional reactions, and other metrics to create a physiological and emotional data portrait of the wearer. EmotiBit aims to make biometric sensing accessible for researchers, educators, students, artists, makers, everyone. EmotiBit is easy to use. Simply plug in the SD card and battery, stack the EmotiBit board with an Adafruit feather, and strap the EmotiBit anywhere on the body to immediately start sensing biometric signals. Data can be recorded directly to an SD card on the EmotiBit, and you can add time-stamped notes for offline analysis or machine learning. Select from multiple output options to send your data anywhere. Create a new media art performance, or start your coffee maker if low energy levels are detected. Because EmotiBit is open source and the raw data is 100% owned by the user, the sky is the limit when using EmotiBit. For the past 2 years, alpha and beta partners have been working with EmotiBits to help shape the features to meet the user's needs.
The EmotiBit provides a potential for understanding what is actually happening inside the body.
The best thing about EmotiBit is its size. It's really small and light. This compact device can do so many different things.
A lot of the tools that are out there are extremely expensive. The EmotiBit was a great way to bring it into the classroom, to be able to use it with a lot of different students, and to be able to use an interface that's really easy to use.
It started streaming basically right out of the box. I just hooked it into the Wi-Fi connection that we had going and opened up the oscilloscope app on my computer and basically saw immediately all the data just streaming right away.
I think the great advantage of EmotiBit becoming an open source platform is that we can now begin to develop data sets, pipelines, ways to share data, to move data around, that researchers, engineers, hackers, and artists have complete manipulation, shaping of the data.
Hi, my name is Sean Montgomery, and I'm creating EmotiBit to democratize biometric sensing. After finishing my PhD in neuroscience, I waited over a decade for someone to make EmotiBit. But in 2018, I realized my company, Connected Future Labs, was that someone. For over 2 years, our team of engineers and designers have been working with alpha and beta partners around the globe. Now, we're ready to bring EmotiBit to the world, and we need your help. Our goal is to make EmotiBit a fraction of the cost of similar devices. And to do that, we need to scale up production. We're creating a few different options so you can get the EmotiBit package that's right for you. We're excited to see what you'll do with biometric signals, and we need your help to bring EmotiBit to the world.
At Brazen, we're known for making really cool stuff. I mean, we made a foam roller do that. Incredible, right? Just like you, we like things that fold. You know, for space-saving kick-assness. And we like things to be beautiful, you know, for looking at. That's why we came up with this, the FlipBench. It's a workout bench that flips down in like a second. Now you don't have to go through all that annoying setup to work on your favorite muscle, the serratus anterior. I love me some serratus anterior. What's with the goat? It's my pet Steve. Did you know? 92% of home workout equipment goes forgotten under the bed or in the closet. Neither did we. We just made up that statistic. But it sounds about right. Think about it. You buy something with the best of intentions, then you have to open your closet, take something heavy out, lock things into place, and then you're working out on a subpar piece of equipment. Not anymore, baby. With the FlipBench, you just pull here. Boom. Pull it down, workout space. Flip it up, living space. Down, workout space. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You got it. The FlipBench is solid as all heck. You can do plyos on it and it won't fall over. That's not plyos. The FlipBench is the result of years of design work and tinkering by Brazen engineer Tyler, who just happens to have a PhD from MIT and making cool stuff.
Kinematically optimal mechanism for leg extension and retraction.
Yeah, like I said, kick-assness. But rather than fancy words, let's just show them. The FlipBench is purpose-built for doing full workouts in small spaces. It can be used with any set of weights, dumbbells, or resistance bands, has multiple incline positions for a complete workout, and allows you to do floor-based exercises in the same space you do your bench exercises. The FlipBench's elegant lines, wood legs, and performance fabric means it's not just a piece of garage workout equipment. Nope, this thing can go in the house. It's a house bench. The best part is that when FlipBench is up, it takes up less than 1 square foot of floor space. So, unlike your pet goat, it doesn't get in the way when you're not using it. Get out of the way, Steve. It's the perfect solution for those that want to get a great workout at home without all the clutter and the hassle. It's like that saying goes, you can have your bench, and you get too. Simplify your workout with FlipBench. It takes up no space, looks awesome, sturdy as heck, patent pending workout bench of the future.
Cut!
Hey guys, can I get my living room back now? I got friends coming over and the goat's gotta go. But you can leave the bench. I like that thing.
FlipBench, the workout bench of the future. Future. Workout bench. Future. FlipBench.